What up, people? I'm pretty sure y'all live right now. My computer's a little slow, so I'm gonna start all over. What up, people? How y'all doing? We're gonna show you how to make some money. Like, let's get this money for real. Like, this is what it's all about. I always wanted to learn how to make money the fastest and put everybody on. And like, ideally, putting everybody on legit. Because back in the day, I was putting people on, illegally. I thought I was doing a good thing by putting everybody on. I was like saying, hey, take this pack, run with it, and let it do what it do. You already know. And honestly, that was just some shit to put somebody in prison. So I'm about to show y'all what's up. How to make some money. So, first off, we got to create a Coinbase account. You see this where my mouse is at? Coinbase. This is what it is. Look, like, this is where my money's been going. Just every time about hold, HODL, this is what they mean, just hold, man. I put my money into Solana, Bitcoin, Quant, Shiba, just breaking it up, you know what I mean? Throwing a little something here and there. Adding the majority to where I know is where it's really hidden, you know what I mean? Just like when I was trying to slang and was like, hey man, the stuff that I got is going to be hitting way more than those other motherfuckers. So, make sure first, do your own research. This is not financial advice and all that warning stuff, so nobody sues my ass, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to buy some AVAC. After you created your Coinbase account, you're going to create it, add your card, add your bank account, whatever. As long as that it knows to pull money from, right? And then we're going to go over here to AVAX. And then we're going to buy some AVAX. We're going to be like, let's just do $50. We're going to do a one-time purchase. Now, before you do this, make sure to create your MetaMask. I'm going to show you. It's that simple. MetaMask wallet. Google that shit. That's how easy it is. It's going to pull up. It's going to be right here. And then you're going to go ahead and create an account. So when you create the account, this is what you're going to end up being with. You're going to have a wallet right here on your Chrome extension. So now what we're doing is we're actually buying the cryptocurrency in Coinbase, the stuff that we need to make this flip. So we're buying Avalanche. We're going to preview it. We're going to buy now. Like, I'm showing you this live, right? Oh, wow. They want to know they want to make sure, like, hold up. You're buying a lot, because I've been buying a lot, man. Oh, it shows that I've already got it, so that's pretty cool. I just got a text message, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it. I'm going to send this money that I just fucking purchased, right? And then I'm going to fucking send it to here. This account. So we're going to have to create a network so that it makes sure that it goes to this actual network right here. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I got a docket that I can just add you to and it's going to tell you exactly what the fuck to fucking put in. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to show you real quick. Oh, I'm actually in the wrong one. We're going to come over here. Here it is right here. You see all this stuff? I'm gonna post this so that you can have it. And you're going to have to add all this stuff right here. It's going to take some reading. I know everybody wants to hurry up and just buy. So you're going to have to read so you know what you're actually putting in. And what we're actually putting in is this. Let me show you. We're going to actually create in that MetaMask, what I was explaining. We're going to come here, and I've already got mine made. In order to make yours, you're going to go to Add Network. And then you're going to see this. You're going to see all this right here. And that's where I'm going to drop this docket. Where is it at? Hold on, let me look for it. I'm going to drop this docket, and it's going to give you all the information what to add in there. And if you see right now, it's going to say network name. If you look, network name. And you're going to see new RPC URL. And then the docket that I'm going to drop, there it is. There's the new RPC URL right there. Boom. And then it's going to ask for a chain ID. And you can use either or. I've actually been using the first one. And then it's going to ask for the symbol. There's it. There it is. Then it's going to ask for the block explorer URL. And basically you're just going to copy and paste each one. And once you do that, you're going to be able to have this right here. You're going to have to add to the network. And then when you add to the network, it's going to be right here. Boom. Avalanche. So now that we've done this, what we need to do is we're going to have to send this crypto to our Avalanche account. Now, if you've done it correctly and you have it on your Chrome, all you're going to have to do is grab this, copy to clipboard. Boom. And then you're going to take it to Coinbase, and where you send it to, you're going to send it right here. Hold on. Let me do this. I'm going to send 100. I'm going to use. Hold on. I'm going to use this right here. So we're going to send $30 because we bought $50. Because there's going to be fees. It costs money to transfer money. So I'm just going to put $30. And I'm going to send it to my wallet. Okay, this is a cool part. Let me get this part real quick. It's an authenticator app. It gives me a passcode and it makes sure that it's me. So I'm just going to go and type that in. It generates it for us. Hit it. Boom. I sent it, right? So what I did was I sent it to this wallet. Let me refresh. And there it is right there. It's been added. It even says right here. Boom. So now I got the money that I bought in Coinbase. Now it's in my wallet. This is where it gets cool. So now that I got it in my wallet, now I gotta go swap the AVAX money that I just bought and get some time money. Right? Let me go ahead and refresh it so it knows that, that I got the new money in that bitch. I'll drop this link too. It's a couple steps. It's worth it though. We're gonna transfer time to this. So we're gonna swap it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna confirm swap. Our wallet is gonna let us know right there to make the exchange. Transaction submitted. Now that we bought the time currency, we're going to have to go to the Wonderland website. And I'll drop this link too. Because what we're going to do is we're actually going to stake the money. So what it means by staking is we're the bank. We're the one putting the money up so that the currency can be bought, sold, traded, used, and all that stuff. We're just the backers of it, right? So I had some problems earlier, and we're going to see if this works, because what's going to end up happening is when you come to the website, you're going to have to connect your wallet. And you're going to go, the wallet that we created, it's going to connect to there. You're going to make sure that it's to that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to max it out and stake the time. It should work. It should have enough funds for the fees. Boom. Updated. Now, let's get all the technical stuff out the way. So right now, my balance is 0.0084 time, right? I'm going to copy this because I'm going to drop this Google Sheet. So my time stake is going to be this. This lets us know what we're going to make in the future. So now, the time of the price. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to Google this shit. Oh, hold on. It's a lot easier if we just go over here. And we're going to find out the amount of the price of the cryptocurrency time, right? So we're going to type in time. We're going to go to Wonderland. It says not supported on Coinbase. That's okay because we've already did the whole steps to add the money. So at the moment, it's worth $8,541.84. So we're going to go in here and we're going to do $8,547 and what? Hold on, let me make sure. Give me just a minute. And 84 cents, right? So 84 cents. Then we're going to jump out of that box and it's going to calculate. So the rebase rate and the epochs per day, we're going to show you that real quick. So epochs, what that means is like every 8 hours, at the moment, see look, it's 7 hours right now, a new 8 hours started. Every 8 hours, it's going to pay you out what you made on the percentage, right? Then, let's go back over here. So, 8 hours, every 8 hours, that's 3 epochs a day. That's what that means. So, you get to unstake your money every 8 hours, so you can claim what you made. And then here's the cool part, like every 8 hours, this is how much percentage you're making a day. So times that number by 3 because it's every 8 hours, right? And so that's 3 times a day. So let me show you real quick. Let's do the math. I'm going to get on my calculator. We're going to clear that out. We're going to do 0.6146 times 3. So that means, look, I'm going to show you on a calculator. Check this out. All right, we're going to take that percentage. We're going to copy that. We're going to drop it in here. Hold on. Why is it not letting me get in here? Hold on, give me a second. It should work. Okay, here we go. Oh, maybe I gotta type it in. Yeah, I gotta type it in. So let me type it in. 6146. All right. Times 3, because it's 3 epochs a day. So that's how much you're making a day, right? That's what you're making on your money a day. So, at the rebase rate is going to be this. So we pretty much got it already in there. Let's just see what we can do when we, yep, there it is. It's already actually in there. So the amount that we're staking, which is this much, the time price is this much, epochs a day is 3, and we're at a rebase rate, a 0.61%. Look what the fuck you make in a year with that much. 1 year, just let me sit there doing nothing. Doing nothing. Now watch. This is where it gets interesting. Let's do it. Okay, so like this is what you need to require time to make a weekly desired income. So let's just say like weekly we can do $1,000. Like if you put that much, look, we got 0.84 and it's 0.85 and 252 days. By August, this is what you'll be making. It's wild. So that's pretty much the breakdown of how to fucking get this money. So if you have any questions, let me know and hit me up, and I got y'all. Have a good one, guys. Later.